Okay. Go ahead, Millie.
Wow. You have to reach for the lamp.
Almost. Okay, this time we'll do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! That was a good one. Here's Olivia making a centerpiece in the middle of Grandma Blower's yard. We're calling it the Mexican grave site.
I didn't know about that.
Does that what it looks like? One of the side of the road. Needs a cross on it.
Oh, that's evil. I like it.
This is all being videotaped. Awesome. Addie! Addie! Come here!
1, 2, 3.
Addie! Polly, Nana, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Grandma and Grandpa. And Uncle Ben. What up?
What's happening?